Hey everyone, welcome back to the Cyber Shield. I'm Sadat bin Mahmoud, a cybersecurity specialist, and today we're diving into the basics of Kali Linux commands. Whether you are a beginner or brushing up your skills, this video will get you started with the essential commands you need to know. Let's jump right in. At first, let's introduce us with the Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a powerful Linux distribution designed for penetration testing, ethical hacking, and network security assessments. It comes pre-installed with hundreds of tools that make cybersecurity tasks easier. But to truly harness its power, you need to be comfortable with the command line. So for the startup, we need to open the Kali Linux terminal, which is up right here. So normally we are in the normal mode, so let's resize it. Okay, our first basic command is the navigation command, which is pwd. This is helpful to know where you are in the file system. When I entered this, it shows that I'm in the home in the directory named Kali. Let's clear it. So our next command is ls. ls means list files and directories. It has many variants like ls-l and let me show you ls minus. So it has two categories. One is the ls-l option shows detailed information, and the ls-a shows the hidden files. Let's see an example. If I type ls-a, then click enter, it will show the list of files stored in my directory. Okay, so if I type ls-a, it will show all the hidden files stored in my directory. So these are the basic ls commands that you need to know. Our next and the most useful command is cd. That means change directory. If I press cd, that means it navigates me to a folder or a file. Suppose, let's see how many folders are there in my directory. By typing ls, I can know that there are many folders in my directory, such as desktops, documents, downloads folders. So if I have to go to one of these folders, I have to type cd, then the folder name. It allows me to navigate at the music folder. So now I am at the music folder, you can see. So from this we can learn that cd means change directory. That means we can navigate to any of the folders we want. And for the back option, nothing hard, we need to just type cd space ... It will back me to the main file. Our next command is touch. This touch, what does it mean? It creates an empty file named filename.txt. That means in the Windows, we left click on the desktop and we create a new text folder. So like this, in the Kali Linux terminal, we will use touch, then we will create anything named like test.txt. That means it will create a txt file in my directory. So if I have to confirm this, I have to type ls, then you can see here a text file is being created. Okay, so this text file is, we know that this text file is empty. So to know this, we have to type cat. It is also another command, basic command. Cat means we can read the txt file. So if we type cat test dot txt, it will show me nothing because this txt file includes nothing. Okay, so for editing or for writing anything in the txt, which command should we use? That one is nano. Nano means edit. So if you want to write anything on the text file, we will type nano, then the text file test.txt, then it allows me to write anything in the text file. So suppose, let me write hello world. So for this, so now I've typed hello world in my test.txt file. So to save this, just type Ctrl S and it will save. And for this, Ctrl X to exit. Then again I will type cat test.txt. It shows me what I've typed. So from this we have learned that cat means read and nano means edit. Our next step is making a directory. So directory means similar to the folder. So mkdir is our command to make a directory. Okay, so let's look an example. If we type, first of all, let's ls and check how many lists are there folders. So many of them. Okay, so if I want to make another folder on this, I have to type mkdir, then I will type anything, test. For the test purpose, I write text, then hit enter. It makes a directory in my root. So let's ls and see. Here's a test folder is being created. Okay, this is the directory or a folder, whatever we call it. So mkdir is the basic folder creating command. It is a very important command at your Kali Linux. Next is removing some files. Suppose at the previous steps we've created this text file. Okay, we've created this text file, and now we will remove this. For removing any text file or anything, just type rm. Rm means remove files or directories, anything. So we will remove this test file or anything, or this test folder. I will do this also. First of all, let's remove the text file. I will type rm test.txt, then hit enter. It removes or deletes the test file. Let's see if it's deleted or not. You can see that it's deleted from my root directory. So if I want to delete this test folder also, I have to type rm, then type test and hit enter. It says that cannot remove test. So for removing a folder, we have to type rm -r, then test. You can see my test folder is gone. There is nothing named test. So for the text file removing, we type only rm, and for the folder removing, we will add a flag -r. So that's all. Our next step is system information commands. For the system information, the command is uname. If we type uname -a, it will show me the system information that we are using Kali Linux 6.8.11 version. So this is showing me the version or the system information. Then the network configuration. If we type ifconfig, it shows me the networks which I'm currently connected. So there is one named eth-o and there is one lo. So basically the defaults are these two, so it will shows you this two only. Okay, next up is task manager. So if we want to see our task manager, we will use the command top or top. So if you hit enter, then it will shows the task manager as like the windows. So it is showing me the current task performing at background at Linux. Our next command is checking our network connectivity. So suppose I have to check my connectivity to the network. So the command is ping. Ping is the command of the checking connection. Suppose we have a default DNS that is 8.8.8.8. Suppose I have to check this. It will show me the running network connectivity status on my screen. So you can see that we can get the network information from this. If we have to close this, simply control enter and it will close. If we, for the test purpose, if we check if we ping to Google, it will also show google.com. It is also showing our connectivity to the Google. So that's it. So our next and the last and most effective and important command is nmap. That means network mapper. By this we can scan our network, and it's very useful for Kali Linux commands. So for this we have to type nmap. We have to add a flag sp. This means scan ports or scan protocol. So I will choose a default IP addresses 192.168.0.1 and 1.0 and default port is 24. Let's check this network. It has started. It will take some time, then you will get the accurate result. So you can see that sorry, I have changed the IP number. I've got little mistake, so I've changed the IP address to the default and my nmap is done. It got 256 IP addresses, 3 host up, scanned in 4 seconds only. So that's up to this nmap. And that's a wrap up on the basic Kali Linux commands you need to get started. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more cybersecurity tutorials. Let me know in the comments which command you found most useful or if you'd like a deep dive into any specific tools. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next video.